Hello guys, today I am showing you unboxing of pixma E400. Let's have a look on the box side of this printer. It supports Windows 8, 8.17, Mac. Also, one black cartridge is free. Additional one black cartridge. This is the MRP written on this. Model, month of import 1/2016. MRP 5495. Here it is written 8 black peppers per minute and 4 black peppers color per minute. I'm going to open this one. This manual is for how to install cartridge into the printer. There's a power cord, USB cable, black cartridge, color cartridge, and this one the extra black cartridge. This is the C driver for the printer, and this is the user manual. This is the printer. User friendly interface is there. Color, black, stop, power button. Ink indicator is also there. The page holder, page tray is for adjusting the page. Scanner side. The look of back side of the printer. Here is the USB cable.